my name is Marina. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what's in my makeup bag, and I got this beautiful Maybelline bag from Maybelline store at Junction. But I won't say like all of these products are from Maybelline. I kind of change, and it depends with what I get when I go to get it. So now that I'm traveling, this is the best time to show you guys what is in my bag. When I travel, this is the bag that I carry. I also carry some brushes, but they're on the other side. Maybe I can do brushes later, but you see, brushes are not even that big of a deal. You can just carry 5 brushes and you're good. So maybe I'll show it at the end of the video, but for now, let me show you guys what I've carried in terms of makeup. So the first thing from my bag is this Fit Me Maybelline foundation in the shade 334, and I like this foundation for only one reason. It applies so easily and it applies with a brush without giving you a hard time. Plus it's almost my shade. Like if you see from there, it's like a good match for me, so I like it. And then next is concealer. So I use Fit Me. I like font concealer, but I've never used an original font concealer. So this is the only concealer that I've used that is legit, and it's shade 40 Fit Me. It's like a shade lighter than me. It's not that light, but I like it. Okay, after concealer, I go in with a setting powder. So right now I'm using 2 setting powders, and this is one of them. So the Maybelline one that I'm using is a Face Studio setting powder, and it's even almost over. I can't wait for it to finish. Actually, I can, because I don't have the money to buy another powder. But I'm gonna buy a powder that is exactly this shade, but the only difference is it won't have white cast. White cast is what you get when you take a picture with a flash and you see white under eyes or something. Yeah, I don't want that. And then I also use this when I want to cover the areas that I want to contour, and like it's a setting powder for the areas that I don't want to brighten, like under here where I'm contouring, and below, or on my forehead, and even these areas. Sorry. So this one I use it in shade 3. It's called Revlon New Photo Ready Candid Anti-Pollution Setting Powder. So it's shade 3. I use it as a contouring shade, and this one is doesn't have a shade or something. It's just called Face Studio Setting Powder, Baking and Brightening. So after that, of course I go in with a powder, compact powder. Compact powder is used to like bring everything together. When you've contoured, you've brightened, you've darkened, so you need a powder to like bring everything to one shade, you get. So I normally use Revlon powder caramel, but I bought this. I've not yet used it, but I bought it the other day, so that's how I got this bag. I got this. It's 330 toffee, and it was because I went with my Revlon powder. So the chick who, okay, let me not say the chick, but the lady who was there compared the shade. Even before she compared the shade, she told me like, I know your color is toffee. So she brought this, and as you can see, it's not that bright and it's not that dark. So I use this. It's Maybelline Fit Me poreless powder. So I think like, I feel like this will go so well with this foundation. Like if I don't want to put on concealer and too much, I can do foundation and this powder, and I feel like it will go on so well because this is meant for this. So anyway, after that, setting powder. So after you've applied all that on your face, the setting powder is Maybelline New York Lasting Fix, and yeah, so this one is supposed to be to serve you for 16 hours, and it has a matte finish. You've seen this before. I've used it in my channel. It's good. Immediately you apply it, especially the first day or the first time you apply it, you'll feel your skin pulling, like pulling towards the front part, like it's being pulled so that you can feel the difference. I always carry eyeshadow just in case I need to use it. Plus, I use this Maybelline Lemonade Craze. Yeah, I like also the other one that has more burgundy shades. But as you can see, this is the one that I bought, and I use it a lot because it's an original packet. It's a legit one, and then I like this color so much because I'm so sorry. I like this color so much because I use it for contouring too. Like if I don't have a powder, I contour with this one, and also you can use these shades without even adding more, like the shimmery shades. But I feel like these matte shades don't do so much for me. They don't show up on my eyelids, so I always carry an eyeshadow. And then what else? By then I'm almost done. A primer is used before foundation, so I always carry a primer so that when I apply my foundation it doesn't move throughout the day. So eyelashes, these are just eyelashes I bought. I don't even remember. Oh no, I bought this at the boys. I buy eyelashes everywhere so long as I feel like they're 3D. I like 3D eyelashes, and as long as they apply the way I want them, I don't have a problem with them. So these ones I bought at I think 200 bob, and I've been using them for a month or so. They are Fate of Flower 3D. They're not legit, these ones, but I don't mind because I'm just putting them and I'll remove them later. So, and for the lashes I use Duo Lash Glue, which I bought it at Good Life at 600. First of all, this glue has an applicator. You see this applicator? You can just easily put it on the eyelashes, or you can straightforward put it on your lashes. And it's very easy, so I like it. It was 600 bob. What else? Oh, mascara. Mascara is one of those things that even if you're not gonna do a full makeup look, you have to have mascara. So I have this Rocket Volume Express. It's a Maybelline product, and I think I bought it at 1500 if I'm not wrong. And it has this, I like the applicator because look at it, and it's not straight, by the way. It's a bit bent over, like it's a bit slightly bent. If you look at it from this, okay, let me put it here. And I like how tiny those bristles are, and it doesn't dry easily. Like it's still fresh inside, like the liquid inside is still as fresh. So I don't regret buying this one. And it adds volume to your eyelashes. What else? Oh, I have this eyeliner. I always must carry eyeliner because I like when my eyes feel like they're pulled up like this. Not like this, but as in that pulled up effect of look like you snatched. I like that. So I'm using this one right now. I used to love, I still love the pen eyeliners, but once I bought this, I bought this so that I can learn how to do my eyeliner with this, and also so that I can learn how to do my lower line. I hate putting anything on my lower eyeline, but I like this. See how dark it is? You can manipulate it easily because it doesn't dry immediately. By the way, it doesn't dry immediately, so you can always put it. And if you see my last video, the one I did, this is one of the best things that you can use, and it comes with an applicator. So these areas for smudging, and these areas for applying the sharp line. So I always must carry these. And then, oh, I'm almost done. Who doesn't carry an eye pencil? I use an eye pencil. I don't use pomade or powder. I use an eye pencil. So I use this for drawing or filling in my eyebrow. I also carry a black liner just in case, like for example, my hair liner is very dark. I would like to have also a dark eyebrow, so I can use this instead of the brown one. So this brown one that I use is number 003, and I like this one because it's a bit darker than 17 that I was using before, and I've used it even in the videos that I've done first. And then this one is number 1, and it's very thick. It's good for applying lower lashes, lower line. I also use this silver one. It's a grayish silver, so I use it also on my, so it's Super Stay Matte in the shade 70. I don't know if you guys can see really. Yeah, 70 Amazonian. Anyway, yeah, that's it for the bag. By the way, that's it. I'm done. These are more these are the razors for to shape my eyebrows.